Mobile phones make our life simple and easy, but sometimes we have annoying problems with the mobile chargers. Trying to plug it in a couple of times before you get it right. Accidentally damaging your phone. Connecting your phone when your hands are busy. Damaging your cables. Unable to charge your phone fast enough from the laptop. Earlier this year, we started tackling this challenge and we have come up with a very elegant solution, inspired by the revolutionary MacBook charger. Introducing the magnetic connector for your mobile devices, the MuConnect. It has two parts, the pin and the connector. The pin fits into your device and the connector to your charger. The connector automatically fits into place. Fast charge your phone with a simple slide of a button. With MuConnect, simply connect your phone. Charge your phone without being distracted from your work. Charge your phone up to twice as fast when connected to a laptop or while driving. Prevent any unwanted accidents from damaging your phone, and no more fiddling in the dark. MuConnect is designed to look elegant. We have made it simple and compact. To achieve this, we custom designed many of the parts and made various prototypes. The greatest advantage of this compact size is that it is unobtrusive and it goes with any phone case you might have, so you don't have to ditch your favorite case. We have finished our prototyping and testing, and now we need your help to take it to manufacturing so that the product can reach you.
Introducing The View by JM Go, a revolutionary new smart portable theater that will change the way you see the world forever. Experience your media the way it was meant to, with eye-popping color, vivid detail, and rich sound, whether you're at home or on the go. The View gives you the power to project your business in a whole new light. With built-in USB and HDMI ports, even Miracast support, you can share your documents with a handful or even hundreds of people, with next-level graphics that are sure to amaze. The View features sleek, refined looks that are as comfortable at home as they are in the boardroom. And its compact design means you never have to be without a perfect picture again. Stay connected while you live unplugged. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Miracast, and AirPlay connectivity, The View allows you to watch movies or access your work on the go in places you never dreamed were possible. And The View's magnetic stand makes sure you always have the perfect viewing angle. Take control with apps that allow you to control your movies with your phone or tablet. With hi-fi stereo speakers and 180 widescreen projection, The View is the perfect accessory to any home entertainment system. Connect with your phone or other devices to stream media effortlessly. The View's radical new electro-motion focusing allows you to get a crisp picture with ease. The View's user interface provides an entirely new way to interact with your content. And a new, longer battery means you can take it even farther without ever having to worry about an outlet. And if you really want an immersive experience, pair The View with JM Go's stunning 3D glasses for an experience you will never forget. At home, in the office, or on the road, The View is the perfect accessory to make all the things you love even better.
My name is Bobby, CEO and designer of JMGO. We need your help to develop a product that will transform the electronic industry. JMGO View is more than a projector. We want to create something that wasn't just functional, but also beautiful to have at your home. As a designer, I believe that gadgets shouldn't just work well, but they should complement your lifestyle. With your support today, we can invest further R&D to perfect this product of overseas market and to have desirable content for our audiences around the globe. Please help us to unlock the View potential.
Has this ever happened to you? You finally drag yourself out of bed and you look like you're an extra from The Walking Dead. All you need is a cup of coffee. But guess what? There's no coffee. How about this? You're training for the Olympics. You need that extra jolt of energy to make it through your workout. But it's hard to work out with second-degree burns and a concussion. And this? You're at one of these fancy, overpriced coffee shops that always spells your name wrong. And the line you're standing in to place your order is never ending. Hello, friend. Let me ask you something. Do you need a pick-me-up without the put-me-downs? Snap on Jewel and satisfy your caffeine fix. Feel better? Dance on, my good man. Dance on. Jewel bracelets have a slot in the bottom for energy patches that contain caffeine and vitamins. Now, I'm sure you're asking yourself, do these bracelets work? Well, let me turn the question back to you. Does a one-legged duck swim in circles? Yeah, they do. Caffeine is administered through the skin. Why? It's fat soluble. That's how it gets past your blood-brain barrier. Who says chemistry can't be sexy? Booyah! These revolutionary patches administer caffeine transdermally and last 4 hours. The patches are also stylish stickers for all you fashionistas out there. Give me blue steel! Yeah! Woo! I know what you're thinking to yourself. That sexy guy on the screen. I like coffee. I don't want to give it up. Well, let me give you something to think about. The next time you're pulling an all-nighter, blasting your way through a final 18th century pianist paper in a caffeine-fueled frenzy, only to hit a wall. Hard. Jewel administers caffeine evenly throughout the day so you don't crash. It can also help you avoid crashing from that triple espresso, so guess what? You don't have to give up your favorite black treat. The only issue you'll end up having is that you'll wish you bought more. That's why Jewel ships to your home, so you never have to worry about running out. Jewel is always there to take care of your need for caffeine. So carpe diem, seize the day, make your life extraordinary. Give that special someone the gift that keeps on giving, or give Jewel for yourself and start living today. May the Jewel be with you. Party on, Darth.
Electricity generated by hydropower, hydroelectricity. The conversion of sunlight into electricity, solar power. The extraction of electrical power from airflow, wind power. All these methods are eco-friendly. Now meet Jiffy, a small, stylish wearable device that fits in your pocket. This is the device that will save all your other devices when they run out of juice, and there's no power outlets in sight. It's very easy to use Jiffy. All you have to do is rotate, and through a USB cable, let it charge your other devices. With Jiffy, you're completely independent of any power supply, electric network, or wall socket. Jiffy is an eco-friendly charger that has a priceless advantage, which is the fact it doesn't need any special conditions to work. It is perfect when traveling absolutely anywhere. From the woods to the desert, and to the jungle. It's the perfect solution in emergencies, like unexpected blackouts. Your batteries will be assured by Jiffy. Thank you for supporting us and believing in our project. Jiffy, the charger that keeps on giving.